this video I'm gonna be sharing with you the top 6 apps that's gonna be paying you real money right here in Nigeria. But if this is the first time I'm seeing right here on YouTube, my name's Ola, and what I basically do right here on my channel is literally walk you through how to make money online. I literally go over to the internet right here to go test out some stuff about making money online, and whenever I see any method that is working for me, I come over to my channel right here to come and give you guys some updates. So if you know you're really serious about making money online, I'm gonna advise you smash the subscribe button right here and turn on the notification bell. So the first app that we're going to be looking at right here on my list is this app called a Break, and basically you could literally earn money by viewing videos by just literally completing some simple tasks like reading newspapers, watching videos, taking surveys, and a lot of things that you could literally do on the app right here in order to make some money for yourself. So basically this app is going to be paying you through PayPal, but if you know you do not have a PayPal account, don't worry, I got you covered. We still have a lot of apps that's going to be paying you through into your bank account. So basically you could just like download this app on the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. So this app is literally available on both devices. So if you know you haven't created an account, I'm going to advise you go create an account right here on this app right here and start making a lot of money for yourself. So you guys can see right here that this app has over 10 million daily users that are currently making money from this website. To tell you this website is not a scam, this website is going to be paying you real and legit money. So all you need to do right is just complete simple tasks on your phone by just reading newspaper, watching videos, playing games on your phone, or even installing some apps. So basically these are all the things you need right here for you to start making money online. So it does not matter whether you're a teenager, you're an adult, this app is still gonna work for you. So the second app that we're gonna be looking at right here in this video is this app called Toluca. So basically you could literally just get paid by just doing some simple tasks right here on your phone by filling out some surveys, giving your opinions and reviews on apps, and basically you're gonna be getting paid by just even doing this little tasks. And one thing I love about what this Toluca app is, and even take a selfie of yourself right here and upload it on the app, and basically they're gonna be paying you. So if you know you haven't created an account, just click on this start earning now. So once you click on the start earning now, it's gonna take you to the Google Play Store, the Apple Play Store to go download the app on your phone. So just click on install button right here and the app is going to be installed on your phone. And by the way, this app has various payment methods like PayPal, Payoneer, and other various methods that you could just use to get your money into your bank account. So if you are going to be watching this video from Nigeria, basically the best option for you to withdraw your money is by literally withdrawing your money into the Payoneer account. So if you don't know you don't have a Payoneer account, you could go create a Payoneer account. And by the way, if you know you would need some tutorial on this app, or you need some tutorial on how to create a Payoneer account, you could just check out some videos right here on my channel that's going to be walking you through that. So if you know you love how I'm keeping everything real here, please make sure you smash the subscribe button right here and don't forget to give the video a like. So the third app that we're going to be looking at right here on our list right here is this app called the Cheaper Cash. And basically if you don't know that you could make money on this app, yes, you could make a lot of money from this app. I personally has made some couple of money right here from this app. Like I said, I'm going to be walking you through how you could literally make money from this app. Basically how you could make money from this app right here is by literally getting people to sign up using your referral link. And don't worry, I'm going to be walking you through how you could literally do that in a minute. So basically just download the app on your phone right here, create an account for yourself. If you know you haven't created an account, then head over to your dashboard right here to copy your link. So the first thing you're going to be doing basically is you need to like send your link to each of your friends that you know that has not created a Cheaper Cash account. So whenever they sign up using your link right here, Cheaper Cash is going to be paying you 5,000 naira per every single verified users that sign up using your link right here. So another method that you could get people to use to sign up using your link right here is by literally just creating YouTube videos. So you could literally just create a 5-minute videos or a 3-minute videos literally walking people how to create an account using the Cheaper Cash. So basically all you're going to be doing right here is just copy your referral link, put your referral link in your video description, then tell the viewers that if anytime they want to sign up, they should just sign up using your link. And whenever people sign up using your link right here, you're gonna be getting paid. So if you get your video to rank on YouTube right here, you're gonna be getting a lot of eyeballs to your videos. A lot of people are going to be searching for it, and once people are searching for your videos and they're watching your videos, there's a very high chance that they're going to be clicking on your referral link and they're going to be signing up. So if you do not know how to rank your videos on the top search of Google, I'm going to advise you check out some other tutorials, some YouTube SEO tutorial that's going to be walking you through how to rank your videos on YouTube. Next app on my list right here is this app called Swagbox, and basically you could literally make money on this app by literally just completing some simple surveys right here on your phone, watching videos on your phone, and basically doing some simple tasks right here on your phone. And one thing I love about this app is going to be paying you right here in dollars, and also it's also going to be giving you various payment methods like Amazon gift card, Amazon virtual, Google Play Store card, and a lot of payment method right here. It's also going to be paying you through your PayPal account, and also it is available worldwide. So that's the reason why I love this app, and basically I've been using this app for quite quite a long time now, and I've literally made some couple of money right here using this app. And again guys, the minimum amount of money you could make right here on this app is just $1. So anytime you have $1 in your account right here, you could just literally just withdraw your money into your bank account. So basically all you need to do is just create an account right here on this app by clicking on your sign in button right here. So once you click on the sign in button, you could just sign in using your Gmail account basically. So once you're done signing in using your Gmail account, how your account is going to look like. So basically you could see different kind of games that you could just play right here. And by the way, once you play these games on Swagbox right here, they're going to be giving you, these are the coins that you're going to be redeeming for cash. So you're going to see a lot of games you could play. And also you could just head over to their menu section right here to go and check their survey option right here. You're going to see different surveys that you could literally complete. You could see different answers. You could just give your opinion on some apps right here, and you're going to be basically getting paid on this app. Once you already have some money in your account right here, all you need to do is to just head over to this menu button and head over to this redeem reward section. So once you head over to the redeem reward section, it's going to take you straight up to this page. You're going to be seeing different kind of payment method. You can see right here, this is the Amazon gift card. This is the Amazon gift card for UK. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing their minimum threshold, and also you're going to be seeing the Pioneer option. If you know you want to withdraw your money through Pioneer, you're going to have at least $52 right here in order for you to be able to withdraw your money through Pioneer. And by the way, if you are going to be withdrawing your money through Amazon gift card, you must have $5. And guys, this is not much right here. You could literally just play some games, complete service on this app right here. And once you have $5 right here, you're going to be able to withdraw your money through the Amazon gift card, send it to your vendor, and your vendor is going to be sending you the money straight into your account. So if you know you're finding the video helpful so far, make sure you smash the subscribe button right here and turn on the notification bell. Fifth app right here on my list is this app called the Fiverr app. And guys, you guys know I'm always a fan of Fiverr, and again, the reason I'm always a fan of Fiverr is because my first ever dollar that I've ever made in my life literally came through Fiverr. So if you don't know what Fiverr is just a freelancing website where you have the ability to offer your skills. So if you have any kind of skills like graphic design, logo design, website development, any kind of skills or whatsoever, you could just come over to Fiverr right here, create an account right here, and start posting your services. You're gonna see different clients from all over the world that are gonna be in need of your services, and are gonna be paying you real money right here on this app. If I search for graphic design right here on Fiverr, you're gonna see a lot of people who are literally into graphic design. You guys are gonna see that this guy is literally offering his graphic design skills for $150 right here, and you guys can see that this guy has over 434 ratings. So let's just do the math right here. Multiplying $150 times 434, you're gonna see that this guy has made over $65,000 right here on Fiverr as a graphic designer. So basically, you don't need to be a pro for you to be able to become a graphic designer. If you know how to use Canva very well, you could just make simple and beautiful design using the Canva. Know how to use photo shoot right here, you could just use photo shoot for your graphic design. Offer this to your client right here. You're gonna see people that are gonna be buying these services from you right here on Fiverr. App right here on my list is this app called the Papp app. And guys, I've made a couple of money using this app. So all you need to do right here for you to start making money is to just copy your referral link right here, send it to a bunch of your friends that knows that haven't created a Papp account, or that do not have a Papp account at all. So once you send them your link, tell them to sign up, and once you sign up right here, Papp is going to be paying you 3,000 per 2 users. And also you can also create a video on Papp, literally walking people through how to create an account. Make sure you put your link in the video description and tell the viewers to sign up using your link. So once you do this right here, you're going to be making some money for yourself. You guys are going to notice that these are people that are making thousands of naira right here using the Papp app. You can see this person just got 2,400, this person just got 2,400. So it just keeps on going. So if I come over to the daily ranking stats right here on Papp, you guys are gonna notice that this guy called Light TV has made over 1 point something million naira using the Papp app by just using the referral end. So if I scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see this person has made almost 900,000, 800,000, 500,000. If I keep on scrolling, you're gonna see that people are really making money from this. And you can see right here that this is how much I've made from one of my accounts so far. You can see right here, this is almost 4,800, and this is just one of my accounts right here. To be sincere, this is the money I've just made. And guys, I have not even been active on this app. So if you scroll down right here to tell you that I'm not faking anything right here, so you guys could see right here that this is my surname. You will see this is my surname right here. So let me just pull that up for you. So if I scroll down right here on the Papp top highest earning dashboard, you're gonna see that my name is also among the 12 people that have made a couple of money right here from Papp. You can see this is how much I made from my Papp account using the refer and earn so far. To tell you what I'm teaching right here is something I've done for myself and something that has worked for me. If you found the video helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button right here, like this video, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends and family that you know that may be in need of this video. And also, if you know you have any question, feel free to go to the comment section right here to drop your question, and I'm gonna be answering all your questions. So if you know you want to learn more apps and more ways you could use to make money online, you could just check out the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.